Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, BoostBox Setup for Windows 10, I'm going to show you how to set up your BoostBox in Windows 10 for use with BoostFlow and Speechmatics. You can find instructions on setting up your BoostBox on our website, eclipsecat.com, under Support, Downloads, Utilities, and more. On this page, if you scroll down to the bottom, there's a BoostBox section. And here you see that there's BoostBox setup guides for Boost and BoostFlow for Windows 10 and Windows 11. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to set it up on Windows 10, so I'll click on this guide. Everything you need to know to set up your BoostBox is included in this PDF right on our website. You can save this file or print it out if you need to. When you order your BoostBox, it will come with the BoostBox itself, as well as the power adapter cable, and an RJ45 crossover cable. In order to set up your BoostBox, the first thing you want to do is insert the power into the power port and plug it into the wall. Next, plug the crossover cable into the BoostBox and into the LAN port on your computer. And then last, power the BoostBox on. Once the BoostBox is powered on and ready to be seen, we can move on to the next settings, which are Windows network settings. So what I want to do first is right-click on my network icon in the lower right of my screen. I'm going to choose Open Network and Internet Settings. In the Network Status window, I'm going to scroll down and choose Change Adapter Options. In my list of adapters, I want to identify my Ethernet adapter. You might have more than one adapter listed here. If you have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, those will also be listed here. On this computer, I only have the one Ethernet adapter. I'm going to right-click and I'll go to Properties. Next, I'm going to double-click where it says Internet Protocol version 4. And returning to the PDF, you see that I have step-by-step instructions on what I should do next. And so step 1 is to select Use the following IP address. Next, I'm going to place my cursor in this field and I'm going to type 192.168.0, and then I'll hit the right arrow key to get to the next field, and I'll type in a 2. Next, step 3 says I should press Tab to autofill the next field. So I'll press Tab, and the next field indeed has autofilled and it matches the guide. Last, I need to set the default gateway, and this is going to be set to 192.168.0, and again, I'll hit the right arrow over, and I'll type in a 1. Once I've finished entering in the default gateway, I can press OK, and OK. And now I can close out of my adapters window, and my network status window. Going back to the PDF, the next steps are to adjust my Eclipse settings. And so I'm going to follow these steps as well. I'm going to open up Eclipse and choose the user that I want to use with Boost. And remember, if you have multiple users that you wish to use with Boost, you'll have to do this with all of the different users. I'm going to go to User Settings. And next, it instructs me to go to the Translate tab and click on Boost. Next, I'm going to make sure that I have Boost and BoostFlow selected. Now remember, you can use the BoostBox with just Boost. However, if you want to use BoostFlow, you also have to have Boost checked. Once you have Boost and BoostFlow checked, next it's time to select your engine. For this example, we're using a BoostBox, and so that means we're going to be using Speechmatics instead of Google Speech. So I'm going to select Speechmatics, and I'll click the Setup button. Next, I'll click the Speechmatics button. I'll select IP address, and I'll press OK. In the Enter Text IP address field, I'm going to enter in the WebSocket address listed in the PDF documentation. And this is the same IP address that we put in the last step of our network settings instructions. And so this IP address we've turned into a WebSocket address, and that's where we're going to tell Eclipse to look for Speechmatics. And so you should type in ws://192.168.0.1 in order to connect to your BoostBox. Next, press OK, okay, and okay, and okay. And you're all ready to start translating using Boost Flow. Stay tuned for more videos in our Boost Flow series. And don't forget that we offer anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.